Very good evening to all the parents, viewers, student friends. I am Muhammad Gulam Rabbani, Principal of Dignity Public English Medium School. It feels an immense pleasure to announce that Rabbani's Dignity Tutorial is going to conduct tuition classes for all the students of nursery, LKG, UKG, 1st to 8th standard, even 9th and 10th also can join. Further, I would like to inform you that there are more than 7 teachers. They will teach various topics and subjects. So, I have hired well qualified teachers who are having experiences of more than 5 to 6 years. Some are having more than 10 years of teaching experience. So it's a golden opportunity for the parents to send your kids here and beautify their language and their personality, because we are going to design, decorate their personality. We are going to prepare them well, and teachers will teach them to the best of your satisfactions. Here all the students' homeworks will be done here. It is not needed to go at home and do the homework. Apart from doing the homework, the teachers will sort out the problems or doubts will be cleared of the students. Topics will be taught and clarified. Periodically, means after 15 days, test will be conducted and result will be displayed. You will get the notification and everything through WhatsApp. Here there would be Kannada class, Arabic class, and even spoken English classes would be there. Separate spoken English classes would be there also, and here your kids will also get opportunity to attend my spoken class and beautify the language. We will develop and decorate the personality. We design the brain, and we will impart a quality of educations. Your students, your kids, your children will score more, will perform better in future. Our intention is to provide a quality of education, to impart a quality of educations, to define their personalities, to refine their personalities. So students will be given a lot of opportunity to come on the stage and perform also. मैं तमाम पेरेंट्स, व्यूवर्स, स्टूडेंट्स को इन्फॉर्म करता हूँ कि रब्बानीज़ डिग्निटी ट्यूटोरियल्स क्लासेस, ट्यूशन क्लासेस कंडक्ट करने जा रहा है और हो भी चुका है, स्टार्ट हो भी चुका है। ये ट्यूशन क्लासेस नर्सरी से लेके 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक है। 9th और 10th के स्टूडेंट्स भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर बहुत सारे अच्छे टीचर्स, वेल क्वालिफाइड टीचर्स हैं जो बेहतरीन ढंग से होमवर्क कराएंगे, उनके टॉपिक्स को उनके फिर से टीच करेंगे, डाउट्स को क्लियर करेंगे, और पीरियोडिकली मीन्स 15 डेज़ में टेस्ट भी कंडक्ट होगा। उनका रिज़ल्ट भी आपको व्हाट्सएप के ज़रिए मिलेगा। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी टीचर्स हैं वेल क्वालिफाइड है, एक्सपीरियंसड है, 5 से 7 साल, कोई 10 साल के एक्सपीरियंस हैं। यहाँ पर कनाडा अरबिक क्लास आलिमा अपॉइंटेड है, कनाडा क्लास के टीचर्स हैं। समटाइम्स इवन आई मैं भी स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास कभी कभी दूंगा उनको। उनकी पर्सनालिटी को डिज़ाइन करूँगा, डेवलप करूँगा, उनकी स्किल को बाहर निकालूँगा। और हमारा मकसद है एजुकेशन को प्रोवाइड करना, इम्पार्ट करना, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन को। ये क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के लिए हम सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं। इट इज़ अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स टू ब्यूटिफाई their लैंग्वेज and to get a proper educations. An appropriate education is must, and all my parents, please note that education is very important. It is the soul of a personality nowadays. Without education you cannot survive nowadays. And which kind of education, a quality of education is needed, it is required. And for quality of educations, to whom you can contact, Rabbani sir, you can contact me, you can come to Dignity Public English Medium School here. And we are conducting tuition classes also for all and sundry, for all the students, not only of our school, of other school also. They can come and join, and they can learn from the expert. So with this, let me stop for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.